Welcome back. Today we're going to check out the comments. Let's get straight into it. Risk52 says, hey Skinny, I think it would be interesting if your Friday video reviews BTC again if there are volatile moves like this one today. Cheers! Let's go. Let's go, boys and girls. For Bitcoin against USD, yes sir, there was a dip over here. However, we don't have any clear tradable chart patterns. We are not entirely sure where or how low BTC is going to go. We would love it if you got a clear chart pattern over here, like a right shoulder, because previously we got an inverse head and shoulders over here, and the target that we got for the inverse head and shoulders was pretty low at around 28,000, right? And then we had a falling channel. The falling channel broke higher and we formed something which looked like a falling channel. We were expecting a zip higher, right? So we were explaining that you can see that the falling channels keep getting smaller and smaller, right? We're expecting another zip up, but eventually we zipped down instead of up. And yeah, anyway, we acquired targets towards the downside, and we already hit the targets. Same thing like what we got for the inverse head and shoulders over here. We got 28k targets. Even when things were about to reverse back down, we got another 28k target, but we overachieved our targets. Anyway, this is looking to me like a potential head and shoulders in the making. Inverse head and shoulders, zip up. Head and shoulders, not good. More likely than not, so we could be getting a right shoulder as we zip lower. Potentially. But it's very important that we do not retouch the skinny pink line on the weekly, right? Because we've already crossed the skinny pink line on the weekly. This is not good, to be honest. This is just not good. I've explained this in a video some time ago, right? I think many months ago, that there is a possibility that we could be heading towards 9k. Possible? Yes, it's possible. I'm going to sound like a couple right now, but it's possible, right? If you look at things from a bigger time frame, bigger perspective, this looks like a rising channel, and rising channels usually break lower, right? This whole thing could be a three-wave move towards the downside for Bitcoin, right? It might look like an ABC kind of a chart pattern, right? So if you were to apply this top to bottom and you expect the same movements, okay, it's not going to be, but if you expect the same movements, yeah, we're probably going to go back under sub 10k, right? A lot of people are going to get wrecked if Bitcoin really does drop to sub 10k, especially Michael Saylor. He has leveraged positions. This is crazy, right? This could happen, and you need to be very careful about rushing into a long for Bitcoin. Again, if you look at things from a weekly perspective, we are not oversold yet. The last time we were oversold was over here. All right, and we got a double bullish divergence, right? Higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI, but a lower low on the price. Zip up, right? But even then, I wasn't really comfortable because we already touched the skinny pink line. This is not good news. Anyway, rising channel. Yeah, a couple could be right? And anyway, point being that, yeah, I think things are just not looking really that perky for Bitcoin, right? The possibility still remains that Bitcoin could hit back under 20k, right? If we were to form a nice right shoulder over here, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Yeah, there will be two targets. And target number 2 will take us to potentially sub 20k. We'll probably be taking out these lows. And we'll probably only be stopping at around this area. This is a very noisy area. So around 17k plus minus. Yeah. So the thing that we're waiting for right now is the right shoulder. We don't know if we're going to get a right shoulder, right? Because there is also that possibility that Bitcoin could still just start zipping higher, right? Maybe you might get something like a right shoulder, but it's not a right shoulder. And eventually, we just start zipping higher. Definitely possible for Bitcoin, but we are not entirely sure at this point of time, right? If you look at the other coins, right, the second biggest coin for Ethereum, we actually have targets towards 666, right? And I'm going to readjust this thing because this is really a very clear support line that has already been formed, and I'm expecting 666 to be hit, right? You see, 3 waves down. Okay, I'll talk more about this next week, but can you imagine if Ethereum falls to 666? Can you imagine how many people are going to get liquidated, right? Even at $1,000, right? I think if you were to take out all of these clusters of stop sales, A lot of people are gonna. Anyway, we will talk about Ethereum more next week, right? And I'm not saying this is written in the stars. I'm saying this is a possibility, a real possibility. Why? Let me just bring you to the U curve inversion, right? US2 versus US10 divided by US 2 years, right? This is the U curve inversion. When you put your money into a 10-year bond, right? You want to have higher returns, right? And then 2 years should have less returns by right. The longer you put, the more you make. The less time you put your money in, you lock your money in, the less you make. But there's an inversion right now. There's more money to be made in the short term. So be like, huh? Yeah. And over the course of 40 years, every time we dip under 1%, right? We dip under 1%, you know what happens? 0.1. Sorry, 1. A recession happens, right? 1, 2, 3. This is the craziest. We've never dropped so much before. 0.788% for 40 years. Wait, hang on. Let's plus S&P 500 new price scale. Let's look at it. Right. If you look over here, every time we go under 1%, you know what happens? Yeah. After a while, deep recession. This was the dot-com bust, right? Again, in 07, subprime mortgages, you know what happened? Deep crash, right? Again, when was this? Yeah, this is COVID. I can't even say it properly. For fear of getting banned. COVID. We just dip a little bit, just a while, just a short while. How far did we drop? Top to bottom. 64%. You know how crazy that is? 64% decimation on the stock markets, right? So again, we're so low. We're so under 1%, right? This is as low as it gets. This is just extreme. This is extreme inversion. And here we are. We still have yet to experience a proper correction, right? We actually did correct over here, to be honest. 52%, right? So if and when this happens, right, can you imagine how far we're going to fall? Again, I don't really know how far, but right now, stocks and crypto are related. They are already coupled, which means that when stocks go up, crypto goes up as well. It's just that right now at the moment, stocks are going up faster compared to crypto. Crypto is just, yeah. So can you imagine the carnage if and when we start reversing back up? Yeah, it's coming. It's coming, boys and girls. It's coming. Moreover, I just read in the news, Germany and Netherlands has entered a recession. 20 hours ago, Netherlands dips into recession after strong COVID reports. This is just to soften the news. Netherlands is in recession. Is this going to be something that will spread throughout Europe? Yeah, very likely. Germany was the first. Germany has entered recession, yeah, in May, right? May, June, July, August. 4 months ago, the news came out. And just recently, Netherlands. So, what do you think is going to happen, right? This is US, obviously. So, if and when the truth is revealed, right? Right now, all the numbers are being manipulated. CPI is being manipulated. But anyway, the point is, yeah, watch out for this. This is going to be a very harsh correction. And it's going to affect crypto. And it's going to affect Bitcoin. So, yeah, you got to watch out for that, man. Yeah, and again, Bitcoin USDT, we'll look at it. Sorry. We'll look at it on the weekly. Yeah. So on the weekly, if we do dip, right? And if we hit the skinny pink line again, which is at 20,000, that's not good. That's not good. You don't want to hit the skinny pink line. It's very, very important not to hit the skinny pink line, right? Every time, you know, if you look at history, right? If you look at, for example, 2018, we hit the skinny pink line. There was a super duper bull run that came. Woo! After that, yeah, how would you know when the bull run ends? When we start hitting the skinny pink line. Sure, there was a rally that came. But after that, look at the fall. Look at the insane fall that came, right? I get reminded, that this is actually this. I fear that something like this might happen, right? We might go under 20K. Again, I don't know if 20K is going to be it. There is a possibility that we could go to under 10K. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but yeah, again, if we form a head and shoulders, very likely we're heading towards 20K. Very, very likely. And it's also very important that we take this out. If we drop just close to taking this out, but we don't take it out, there is a danger that this whole thing could become a big descending triangle, right? And then this could be a bull season cancelled if we get something like this. This will be more likely than not a confirmed, not confirmed, but it heightens the possibility of us heading back under 4 digits for Bitcoin, right? It's going to be a decimation in crypto land, but I feel that 20K is not out of the realms of possibility. But anyway, we'll cross the bridge when the time comes. Right now, we still don't have any clear targets. We are waiting for the right shoulder to appear. So once we get the right shoulder, very likely we will see where the targets are. Very likely we'll be going towards the targets. We probably have 2 targets. So be very, 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 very careful about rushing into a trade too soon. The best thing that could happen for Bitcoin in a bullish perspective, right? Ignore the skinny pink line. The skinny pink line is wrong. We fall in a very controlled manner. Get a right shoulder or we zip down. Very controlled fall. Sure, take out 20K. Right, we drop below, take out 20K. Hang around. We start reversing back up. Right, halving comes in. The bullish case. We get a very nice ascending triangle. Value 1, value 2, and then we get a value 3. That's it. Sayonara, bitches! And then we just go crazy. Right? Best bullish case. But if we were to get a proper right shoulder and we zip down with speed, then yeah, that's not good. Right? That's not good. Of course, we could also get double bottoms even with a right shoulder. Drop down, double bottom, fast and furious recovery back up. Valleys, right? We want to see valleys. We want to see strong rallies, right? Strong rallies is, yeah, this is a strong rally. This is a strong rally. Yeah, we zip down for the COVID crash, but we zip back up with strength. So even if we zip down, the hope is that we see a zip back up with strength. But again, we still don't know what's going to happen. And if we were to zip back up, zip down, zip up, it's going to take several months though. 6 months maybe? 7 months? Again, I can't say for sure. It's going to take, 6 months plus, I think. Yeah, so that's why it's very important to have the skills of being able to short, right? You want to be able to make money, whether if things are in an uptrend or in a downtrend. Very important, right? So there you go. Hope that answers your question. Risk. Wonder says, but no one is selling. Yeah, I don't think so. Right. Let's go to Quant. I just did a video yesterday. So for Quant, we were saying that $67 is the target. If no one is selling, what is this week? What is this week? An error in the charts. Mimiman says, yes, wait for $20, then buy. Ah, he's mocking me. So if you look at ICP, we had a target over here at $3. We said this, when was this? 8th of August. What's the date right now? 18th of August, 10 days ago. Where is this? We were here. 8th of August, I said, we are very likely going to $3. Look at where this candle dropped down to. $3.15. What is the likelihood of us going past $3, hitting the target for ICP? I'm pretty confident. Of course, I could be wrong. I'm pretty confident we should be heading towards $3, right? So if you are a really true believer of ICP, you will probably want to wait until things are at sub $3, right? Rather than to buy them at, what, $20? And I'm going to assume that you made moves at the top, right? And this is an all-time low. All-time low. So, sometimes people are very bitter when being told the hard truth. You can't handle the truth, right? And the truth actually hurts. So, Yeah. Anyway, there are only three reasons why people don't make it in crypto. Either you're stupid, you're lazy, or you're arrogant. So I don't know, man. This sounds like arrogance to me, because arrogance is the ego protecting itself. The ego can never be wrong. The evil, okay, evil 5, evil 6. The ego is always right. And because you're right, there is nothing to improve on. You didn't do anything wrong, so you stay the same, right? 10 years old, 20 years old, 30 years old, 40 years old, 50 years old, 60, 70, 80 years old. If you have this ego, you will never move up and improve as a person. You will never change to become a better person. You're stuck where you are because of ego, right? Because of arrogance. With humility, you can learn, right? You know that you're wrong, and you move on. You become better. It makes you. I mean, it gives you the self-awareness, right? That you're actually on the wrong path. Not self and the awareness that you're on. You get the awareness that you're on the wrong path, and you switch to the right path. Right? When it comes to trading, there are two paths to take: the path of being right, or the path of making money. Very different paths. So anyway, love the sound effects. Thank you very much, Rams. Greasy says, can you do Gnosis? Seems like it's setting up for a big move. Yeah, the big move is down. If you look at Gnosis, right? Gnosis. There's a mountain range over here. You see this? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3. We just broke support. So more downside is to be expected. How much lower? I don't know, bro. It's not looking good. So hope that helps. Looking ruggish? Yes, bad idea. It's a bad idea to buy bad idea at the top. Wujao is very promising. It's the funniest meme in crypto. Good luck to you. Fiber says, at what point fall USD consider to be no longer a squeeze? Thanks, Skinny, for the great TA. Yeah, so if you look at a squeeze is a series of lower highs and higher lows, right? This is what you call a squeeze. So when you see a breakout to either side, then it's no longer a squeeze. Simple stuff. Where is this? ICP, sir. I did it 2 days ago. Did I? Yesterday? I think. Did I? Wait, let me just see. ICP. Did I? I think I did ICP though. Did I not do ICP? I think I did ICP. Yeah, I just did ICP. So check it out. Let me just check. Content. Yeah, ICP, I did it. Top 40 crypto TA. Yesterday I did it. So check it out. Check it out. Looking ruggish, yes. Wojak, yes. ICP, sir. Skinny, love your videos. Thank you very much. Joseph Blofield says, thanks, Skinny. I always appreciate the song. Thanks. Anytime. Always. Glad you like them. JC Visual says, nice video, but since this video, I've made insane profits. Bad idea is down. Let me see. Bad idea. Right. When was this made? 10th of August. 10th of August, bro. 10th of August. Look at where bad idea is, right? 10th of August, where were we? Okay, 10th of August, we were here. So I already said on the video that we are severely overbought. We are overbought. We're so overbought on bad idea. And it's a bad idea to buy things when they are overbought. Look at this. We're overbought. Severely overbought. Plus, there's already a rise in volume. Distribution is already happening. Whales are already selling off their bad idea AI tokens. Their bad tokens. And you want to encourage people to go long over here? Yeah, very likely. It's either you have bags at the bottom, I don't know where, and then you're saying this with malicious intent, or you don't know what you're talking about, and you're arrogant. Again, the arrogance. Oh my god. You think it is too simple. Sometimes you have to break through the common thinking of the market. What? Partnership with Shiba Inu. It's not just a meme token. Oh, Shiba Inu got F'd in the S. Why? The F got stuck in the F bridge. Why the thumbs down, Thomas? Good luck to you. Good luck to you. Now the price is what? 0.404 zeros. Do you think it will come down and will be 6 zeros? What? You want it to be down like what? 99%? 90%? I don't know, bro. I don't know. It could, but it's you're guessing, man. You're guessing, gambling. And Muhammad, yeah, gambling is forbidden in Islam. You should learn true proper trading. Mojo Jojo says Bitcoin, not crypto. What am I talking about? Carl says, don't you think you know what is behind the project? The volume you see just states what was achieved with 6 exchanges and an army of committed, hardworking supporters. Before you underestimate anything, as you well know, DYORs, you're so emotional about a bad idea. Look at where bad idea is. 10th we were here. You know how far we dropped? 46% from where we were here. So I was saying that this is looking very toppy, right? Very likely there's a deep correction coming. But again, arrogance kicking in. If they sell, it'll be in 5 days when they hype it up at the conference. Yeah, probably that's the conference. So you could be right. Where is this? What am I talking about? Bet. We were here 5 days later. 5. Yeah, so you're probably right. They sell it at the conference. Where's this? Brian Lewis says, do you think it will go up after the conference next week? It'll probably come down and go linear. Yeah, it did come down. So good job. Good job. This is being realistic. Nothing goes up forever. And sometimes this is what you call sell the news event, right? Buy the rumors, sell the news. So yeah, again, volume will tell you everything. Where we? Let's go. Fiber says, thanks, Skinny. Looks like we have been missing your top 50. Yeah, we did top 50 this week, so hope you enjoyed it. Mefree is the real deal, going to $1 very soon. Good luck to you. Cardano reaches potential in 2021 before being exposed as just another shitcoin. Crypto is a scam. 90%, I would say, more than 90% of crypto is not going to make it. If you look at the word, define scam. Right, scam is a dishonest scheme, right? Are there a lot of dishonest people in crypto? Yeah, so that's why it's very careful. You have to be very careful. You have to stay safe. But are there honest people in crypto as well? Yeah, of course there are honest people. Is Cardano a helmed by dishonest people? Inconsistent, yes, but I don't know if Charles has malicious intent to scam people. Maybe, you might call him inefficient, again, inconsistent. You promise something but you don't deliver it, you keep delaying things. Yeah, probably you won't be happy about it, but you probably got burned bad. So again, learn trading, learn how to read charts, learn risk management. Don't bet the farm. So I'm assuming that you bought it at a very height. So instead of blaming Cardano, right, you should blame the man in the mirror, not Charles Hoskinson. You made the move. Charles didn't put a gun to your head and says you have to buy Cardano, and you click the mouse and buy Cardano. No, you bought it on your own self. This is what you call accountability. You have to be accountable for your own actions. Nobody forced you. You bought it on your own. So you are fully accountable for it. And yeah, are there people who made money? Of course. On Cardano? Yeah. Of course. Are there people who made money in scam coins? Of course. For sure. No product, no nothing. Of course. So yeah, anyway, point being, you gotta be, as Michael Jackson said, right, you should talk to the man in the mirror. Oh yeah, I'm asking him to change his ways. Yeah, so you have to change your ways. And no message is gonna get any clearer. If you want to make your financial to a better place, take a look at yourself and then make the change. Alright, boys and girls, enough MJ for today. I guess I shall see you in the next one. So again, the 3 reasons why people don't make it: lazy, arrogance, stupid. There's no cure for stupidity. I'm going to assume that you are smart. But lazy and arrogance is something that you can change, right? All you need to do is to be hardworking and be humble, and you will make it. With time, of course. But you must put in the work and you must be humble, right? So I guess that's it for today's comments and crypto TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next week. See you. Ta-ta.